Yo, great. So in this video right here, I'm going to break this down to you where most forex traders are lying to you. Okay. In this video, you will get to know why you should stay away from the market and why you should trade at the moment. Okay, so this is a gold chart, and gold has been behaving within this particular zone for a very long time right here. Okay, so when you go to my Telegram channel, I only drop two signals, which is the free group. I drop only two signals in the group for this week, and today is Wednesday. Okay, so I dropped one that was Monday, and I dropped the second one that was Tuesday. So Wednesday, which is today, I haven't dropped any. Okay, so those who are there will testify. But the second one that was dropped on Tuesday is for premium members. So the free channel, they just see the result. Okay, so I'm going to discuss this particular market structure that is happening right here for you guys to understand. You've been in my group for a very long time. You have subscribed to my analysis channel for a very long time, and how I've been trading. A lot of people don't understand it. They just think I'm just one way trader right here. So I always don't drop signal every day. Okay, but I always drop the best signals always. Okay, so if you love that, hit the like button right now. Let's continue. So this is good for our chart. Okay, when you look at the whole chart, you can see it's in an uptrend. Okay, so this particular trend is in an uptrend, and I mark some levels, which is a deep black line right here. So actually, I bought gold from the low here to the line there. I bought gold from this other block right here. Okay, this other block right here to the upside and hit this, and we reject. And this rejection was caused on a daily time frame order block or divergence. Okay, divergence is mainly the strategy that we use in Forex Talent and Full Margin Trader channel right here. So divergence is our main strategy that we use, and we master it to trade it. Okay, so when you go to daily time frame, this is what I mean right here. When it comes to the daily time frame right here, you can see I have marked this down. This is the line I am seeing right here. This indicator is pointing down, and price from this angle here is pointing up. Okay, that is why this line here. And the entry criteria for this particular strategy, I always don't show it, okay, because there are entry criteria and rules of this divergence strategy that people are buying the ebook and they are learning it, and I'll come and expose it here, and I can't expose it here. Okay, that is one thing you must get. Okay, so we have an entry level on a daily time frame, and the reason why I don't post this particular swing trade in the free channel is because a lot of my followers don't have capital, and before you trade this gold right here, you must put your SL where above here. Let me adjust this well and give you this. You must enter the trade from this, and the SL here should be above right here, and this is almost 7,000 pips, which if your account is not big enough, you can't trade it. And this, we must target the below here. We must target below here. This is the exact trade setup that we must get. And let me remove this to show you the next thing right here, and the reason behind. You can see this consolidation here. So let's go back to our 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame right here, we have a structure break right here, and we have another block right here, which is reacting to this particular market we have an order block right here. Okay, which this market just react to and push into the upside, and we must be waiting for a retest of this level right here if this continue to go up. So I'm thinking for NFP to come and push this market up. Okay, so based on the divergence we saw on the daily time frame, this is a 4-hour time frame divergence against the daily time frame, which is going to do a retest above right here. So when we take our arrow right here, you can see indicator right here is pointing up, and you can see from price right here, price is pointing down. Okay, this is a divergence of the market and signify an upside move reacting to this order block right here. Okay, good. So there are exit points for this particular trade right here. So when we go to the lower time frame again, we'll see set up there. So we have a 4-hour divergence to the upside, so we must be looking for a buying opportunity. But when you reach right here, you can see the 1-hour time frame indicator is in overbought level, which means this trend line here can react to this trade to push to the downside to hit this level right here. To hit this level right here. Okay, you must take note of what I'm doing. This is a best way to analyze the market before you come and start executing of the trade. Okay, so based on every time frame that you see the market shows what it means to you. Okay, assuming this forex market just fall in line with one time frame, everybody is going to be profitable. But because of the differences in the time frame, that is where a lot of people lose in this market. If you don't know how to play around the time frame, you are going to lose. So I'll talk about the time frame analysis in my next video. So let's continue with this chart right here. So we still have this right here. We wait for market to come and mitigate it, or it will just retest this trend line and push to the upside. So you can see clearly from here this divergence that work here. You can see it from here. I don't know if you guys can spot it here. This price is pointing to the downside right here, and is pointing to the upside right here. Okay, so if you don't know about these divergences and you want to learn it, just get hand on the ebook right now and get the basis of the divergence, and all that I'm doing right here, you understand and know how to execute trade. Okay, so this is the clear indication right here. So we must enter a buying opportunity right there. That is what happened. Okay, so when you come to 30 minutes right here, so on the 30-minute time frame right here, what can we see? This other block right here with our withdrawal here is still intact right here. Okay, it's still intact to move this market. But the whole of today, you can see market behave foolishly, going up and down, rejecting, drop, up, and all those kind of things. So what I can export or spot here is a W pattern. Okay, so I'm expecting NFP to, when this hold, okay, let me show you. When this candle right here, when this candle on 4-hour break fully, okay, it's like the trend line is not straight. Okay, let me straighten it. Well, good. When this break with a candle, a body of candle, which is W pattern or double bottom, you can see it clearly from here. Let me mark this. This is the first bottom, and the second one right here, and also a W pattern. Okay, so I'll be expecting price to push to the upside during NFP. Okay, but rejection may come and push it to the upside. Okay, so take note of that particular one right there. Okay, so we have to do what? Go down to our lower time frame again. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. So you can see 15-minute time frame has started the rejection to the downside right here. Okay, so let's check on 5 minutes. So 5 minutes too. So you can see the other block that we just drew. It doesn't make sense on high time frame, but when you come to the lower time frame, you can see it make a sense here because of imbalance in between here. So this market must come all the way to come and balance this and then go to the upside. Okay, and then retrace to the upside. That is what we will be expecting on this gold right here. So gold, we are expecting more push to the upside again to complete the 4-hour imbalance here. The 4-hour imbalance, which is the next zone up here to mitigate this before coming to the downside. But if this trend line here has not broken with a body of candle on the 4-hour time frame, we should expect rejection to the downside. Okay, so take note of that. If this current candle or any candle that form after this candle hasn't break the trend line to the upside with a body of candle, we must expect a rejection wicks and markets will reject back to this zone right here and continue to break to the downside. Okay, so follow me and continue to follow my analysis and my live trade section or on this full margin trader channel right here to learn the best way to analyze the market and best way to trade the forex market. So see you in my next video. Goodbye and subscribe to the channel before you leave.